Hello everyone, we've come out for a weekend camp. We've come back out to Sarabah Camping with the family again. My sister and brother-in-law booked something, so we're tagging along with them because we can't help ourselves, any excuse to go camping. So we are on a new site this time. Last time we stayed at the overflow site. This time we're staying at the Cranny, which is the sought after site on Sarabah Camping. It is massive and the creek entrance is really good, so we're gonna sit down in the creek later and have a beer, but it is excellent. So this looks like the spot to pick if you're coming out to Sarabah Camping.
Yeah, we'll walk around, take a look at how we've set it up for this one and take a bit of a look around the site. But yeah, it's beautiful.
Really lovely. Cows have come through that when we're setting up. They were just sort of standing in the long grass having a look at us. So they're just lovely. It's really good. Love it.
Excellent. Well, we better get into it and we'll take a few shots around. I need to put this camera down because it's hurting my arm. But yeah, Sarabah, take a look. Cheers.
LT's on gate bitch duties today. Snickers is helping me drive now that we're off the main road. He's not normally allowed on my lap, but since we're on the dirt road, we figured we'd let him. Hello.
Oh, g'day. Morning everyone. We just got up and making a cup of coffee, and these guys have come to say good morning. Look at them, they're so cute. That wasn't as spectacular as I expected. So we're just sitting here relaxing by the creek, and we made a super healthy snack box. Oh yeah, deep fried goodness. We're just gonna take a little walk up here. There's a little bit of a waterfall up here, so we're gonna go and check it out, see if it's good. We're making LT go second, so in case he stacks it, we know where not to go. Why? So we've taken a boat, and we think it is a little bit too unsafe for me to get in there with the phone. So unfortunately I'm not going to get the good footage that I wanted to, but I'm going to leave it on the bank, and so you won't see it if I actually fall over and eat it. Good morning. Unfortunately it's pack up day today. I'm going to head home, but it looks like it's a beautiful day. See the cows grazing over there. But yeah, it's Sunday, so time to head home. Had a really good stay. Had a little bit of rain yesterday, but it wasn't too bad. Just enough to make us sit under the awning for a little bit. But yeah, we'll have a coffee and start packing up, I guess. Snickers wanted to take a close look at the cows, so let's see how this goes. Because let's just say he's not a farm dog. Oh, he's in my shadow, sorry. I know, sniffing grass is more important apparently. They did let a big grey bull out in this paddock yesterday, so God, I hope we don't see him because he was huge. I'm happy with the nice little ladies. I'm not too sure what I'd do if I was face to face with the massive big bull. This one is very interested in us, and I seem to think it looks like a young bull. So we might head back, finish my coffee.
Sadly, that's it again for another camping trip. We hope to plan some more very soon because we're keen to get out and amongst it. But like we said before, we're out at Sarabah and this is the Cranny site, but we have learnt some sad news while we're out here in the fact that they're actually closing down Sarabah Camping. So we're not entirely certain of the reason, but they're no longer taking any bookings and it's indefinitely. So, which is a real shame because it is so beautiful out here.
Absolutely beautiful country, but I think they are looking into kind of getting it back again. Just a few policy and laws and that sort of stuff apparently, which is a bit of a shame. It's such beautiful country out here.
Oh, and it's amazing, an amazing spot. So let's hope that that actually happens and they can reopen because it is a really must visit spot for sure.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. All right, well, anyway, we'll leave you to it. We're all packed up now. We need to get Snickers in the car and head home and have a shower.
But thanks so much for following our stuff. If you're liking what we're doing, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much. And until next time, get amongst it. Cheers. Absolutely beautiful country. Bloody yowie country out here, eh, babe?
Well, we didn't see any hairy men, so we're good.
Yeah, only the one that was sleeping in the awning tent. I think if there were yowies out here, my snoring bloody kept them away. Absolutely beautiful country.
And this one was flooded last time when we walked over. It was thick as an auto.
Oh, felt that in my cheeks.